三藩市日落區正式迎嚟新嘅市參事，市長羅偉宣布任命 Isabella Archariz 出任日落區市參事，接替較早前遭到罷免嘅恩加納。
My priority is bringing people back together. I think the neighborhood is so very clearly divided. We've seen decisions being made on our behalf without our consultation from the top down, and my priority is to get into the neighborhood, start talking to people, and start making informed decisions that the people have been asking for.
Archariz 喺今日上晝11點宣誓就職，隨後佢同羅偉一齊前往日落區嘅安老自助處，參與長者送餐服務以及走訪商鋪。有餐廳東主對於而家日落區嘅交通狀況有所不滿，期待 Archariz 可以從根本上面解決問題。
因為始終都係新人啦，所以希望都有個新氣象係對呢個區咁樣。但係而家最緊要嘅就係呢個區嘅交通問題，其實真係都比較混亂嘅，係啊，即係自從真係封咗條 highway 之後咧，講真，成個區都比較塞車啊，同埋嗰啲指示牌啊、路牌啊咁嗰啲，希望佢最緊要係搞掂翻個交通問題。
Archariz 年僅29歲，係第一位非裔市參事。佢係一位毫無政治同埋公共服務背景嘅前寵物店老闆，亦都係藝術同埋音樂教師。根據 Mission Local 報導，佢之所以得到任命，係因為佢喺9月嘅新 Night Market 主動接近羅偉，遞上電話號碼並且自薦。天下衞視記者採訪報導。